This is our explosion-proof portable working light. The item code is SZSW2600. It is safe to use in June 2 and June 21 and 22. It is suitable for long-distance or large area lighting places, such as emergency rescues, maintenance, repairs, and so on. The lamp holder can adjust ranging from 0 to 316 degrees in the up-down direction. And the special design for the height adjustment, it can raise the lamp to 1.5 meters. There are two wells at the bottom of the lamp, so it is easy to carry. This is the switch button, and this one is the digital power display. It can record the power at any time. Let's see how it works. There is a PC cover helps change the lighting mode. Close the cover, it will become the floodlight. While open the cover, it will become the spotlight. And there is two lighting modes of this lamp. It can be working light and strong light. Press the switch button once, it is working light. It can continue discharge more than 20 hours. Press again, it will be the strong light. Can work more than 10 hours. Press again, turn off the light. This is the PC cover. Put it down. You can see the light is using high quality Cree LED. And the body is made of aluminum alloy. The thin shade design optimizes the heat dissipation. The protection grade of this light is IP66. That means it's dust-proof and protect against powerful water drain.